Hello programmer, welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn about sort and reverse method. Now first make a array for a sport. Baseball, polo, volleyball, and golf. Now to use a sort method, we have to write the name of array sports dot then sort. And whenever we use sort method in an array, sort method just take the element of array and arrange them into alphabetical order. Now to print the array, document dot write sports, save this, and here we can see array elements are arranged in alphabetical order. And the next method is reverse method, and the reverse method is used whenever we want to reverse the element in an array. So to use a reverse method, we have to write array name dot reverse, save this, and here we got. Now if you look at the element of array, then you can see first is baseball, second polo, then volleyball, at last golf. But after using reverse method, golf become first, volleyball second, then polo, at last baseball. And these are some of the method of array, but there are many more method which I haven't covered. If you want to learn more method, then you can search on the internet. At last, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.